Hello again, Doodle Buddies! Today's video is extra special because we are going to create a pencil portrait of someone who is a global icon, Ariana Grande. Let's get started and draw together. I'll start with the outline and then fill in the details. After adding some shadows with the pencil, we can soften them thoroughly with the tortillon, also known as the blending stump. This gives us much more natural and softer shadows. As you can see, I added Ariana's photo that I used as a reference to the video so that it can help you draw with me. Don't forget to share your drawings with me. You can find my email address in the description. Send me a photo of your drawing at any time. This way, I can share your drawings with everyone. By the way, the materials I use are definitely not very expensive. Some of them are even from my school days. Therefore, do not expect the materials you use to be of high quality or cool. You can start by using whatever you have at hand. If you want, you can buy better quality products over time. Remember, practice makes perfect, not quality. You can get help from the brushes you have to make shadows softer and more natural. Any brush will do. But it would definitely make more sense to use a wide brush for large areas and a smaller brush for narrow areas and details. Drawing takes time, but I enjoy it. I hope you like how it turns out. As an artist, there is something truly magical about being able to recreate the details of a person using only a pencil on a blank sheet of paper. Because we are not just transferring images, but also emotions, memories, preferences, and anything else you can think of. Remember, our portrait is not just about our appearance, it's also about our emotions, memories, preferences, and everything else. Don't worry if you think your drawing doesn't look as good as you'd like at the beginning or middle of your drawing. The result may always be different. Even if the process is not very good, the result can be great. Or even if the result is not what you want, there is nothing to worry about. Because you learn something new with every drawing and you will get better the next time you try. Fun fact about me. When I draw, I jump from place to place. I don't draw from side to side, or from above to below. I draw wherever I want to draw at that moment. And then, complete the part one left unfinished. I do the drawing as a whole, not sequentially. Everyone may have their own methods. I feel more free with this method. You too can discover your own method over time and use it. A little secret, no matter what method you draw, it doesn't matter as long as you feel good about yourself and your creation. Please, never use your fingers to blend the shadows. This is a big mistake I've been making for years, too. Even the slightest bit of moisture or oil from our fingers is enough to create a dirty look when it gets onto your paper. And no matter how good we draw, this mistake will unfortunately make our drawing look bad. So far, I have not found a way to get rid of this dirty look caused by moisture or oil. If you do, please let us know in the comments so we can all benefit. Instead of using your fingers directly to blend the shadows, you can wrap a paper towel around your finger and blend it that way. Use a tortillon blending stump or a brush. To be honest, this is the first time I've used the product you see now, and I'm very pleased with it. In fact, there are special tools to use the product. But instead of buying them right away, I wanted to give them a chance by trying the materials I already had. I tried filling in large black areas using brushes I already had, and it worked perfectly. It helped me get a faster and smoother result. Also, the paper is not as irritated as it used to be. I wish I had bought it before. I also have some good news for you. I'm thinking of making a series of drawing tutorial videos soon. But I need your feedback to find out how many people want this. If this video gets enough likes and I get enough number of subscribers, I will make educational content for you. It will be a completely free, step-by-step and educational video series with details the most basic to the most advanced. Or what would you like me to draw next time? I'm thinking of drawing Billie Eilish with the colored pencils I just bought. It feels like it would be more fun to draw with colored pencils, but I'm a little worried since I don't have much experience with it. It will be a brand new experience for me. I hope this portrait serves as a celebration for all of you watching. I hope it inspires you to embrace your own uniqueness, to pursue your passions with challenging dedication, and to always be true to yourself. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. It helps me grow and create better content for you. Thank you all for joining me on this artistic journey. I hope you have enjoyed watching the creation of this Ariana Grande portrait as much as I have enjoyed bringing it to life. Until next time, keep creating, spreading positivity and expressing yourself. See you in the next video. Bye for now.